In today's video, I'll show you how to change appointment duration in Acuity Scheduling step by step. If you want your services to last longer or shorter, updating the appointment duration only takes a few minutes. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Appointment Type section from the left side menu. This is where all your services are managed. Now, select the appointment type you want to edit and click Edit. Inside the appointment settings, look for the Duration field. This controls how long the appointment lasts on your calendar. Next, enter the new duration you want. For example, you can change a 30-minute consultation to 45 minutes or even a full hour depending on your needs. Acuity usually lets you choose from preset time options, but you can also create custom durations in some setups. After updating the duration, review the rest of your scheduling settings. Longer appointments may affect your available time slots and daily availability. If needed, you can also add buffer time before or after appointments to give yourself breaks between sessions. Once everything looks correct, click Save to apply the changes. Now, your updated appointment duration will automatically appear on your booking page, and future clients will only see available slots that match the new timing. Before finishing, preview your scheduling page and test a sample booking to make sure the updated duration works properly. And that's it. You've successfully changed appointment duration in Acuity Scheduling and updated your booking schedule.